Hey, this is Mike. Check out this 2009 GMC Acadia that we got in. Sharp looking SUV. Now this does have the remote start and the power lift gate and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and start it up. So that way the air conditioner can start cooling it down because it's a hot day. And so you can see it's kind of like a, I guess you could say like a light colored teal. See if you can tell the color here in the sun. But it looks good. It's not a tacky color at all. It's got aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control. It's got like a luggage rack thing on top, tinted glass on the back passengers. It's got a towing package, backup camera, backup sensors, dual exhaust. And so let's go ahead and open up the trunk here. Alright, here's the back. This does have a third row, and these seats do fold down. And you got some storage in here too, where you can put stuff. There's some parts for the towing package, and so you got a decent amount of space back there for storage, even when you have the people in the third row seating. Now, now you can push the button on the key fob here to close the lid, or you can. There's a button here to push. And you push that and it comes right down, so you don't have to grab it and pull it down and all that. Alrighty, here's the other side. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the doors. Alrighty, here's the inside of the back door. You've got a cup holder there, water bottle holder at the bottom, and a little storage space there. This does have a premium Bose sound system in it, and there's one of the speakers there in the door. Alrighty, I moved this seat up. You see where the seat kind of sandwiches up in order to allow for somebody to go into the third row there, which is right here. And so you can see it's got like a light gray tan interior seating, and so you got plenty of room back there. So this seat goes right back like that, and then you've got you got bucket seats there, and you've got vents, air conditioner vents all the way around, and lights and stuff. And you've got a to control the you can control some audio, sound, and also climate controls back here with the auxiliary inputs. Alrighty, now let's check out the front here. Here's the inside of the front door. You see the little Bose emblem there on the speaker. You got a pocket there at the bottom, and your basic controls there for the mirror, windows, and door locks. You do have automatic headlights. It's got a power seat adjustment there. Alright, let me hop in. Since I used the remote start, I still have to put the key in and turn it on. Alrighty. Turn the fan down slightly so we can not interfere too much with the camera. And alright, so here's your steering wheel. And there's your light controls. Here's for cruise control on this side. Here is a answer your phone. You pair your phone with the sound system in here. You can also adjust the volume up and down here. Alrighty, and here's your gauges. Now sometimes you might see something some of the like right there, you can see it flashing. That's not in real, that's just on the camera. In real life, it's not flashing. And you got like a red, like a dark and red theme there, which is really easy to read and looks kind of cool too. Alrighty, so you see that. Now over here, we've got the stereo. It also has navigation, and also when you put it in reverse, you can see your backup camera. Let's see if you can see without the glare. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of, and the camera's not really picking up too good. But right here is a shadow of the vehicle, and you can see behind. You can see it pretty good in real life, but on the camera it's not really showing up too well. But anyway, put it back to park. Now you can see your navigation, and you do have an auxiliary input here. You got a CD player right up here in this little place here, and down here is your dual climate control, and you can adjust your fan, you can adjust your temperature on both sides, and it's got a digital readout with temperatures and everything. Now this does have heated seats, and it has I'm not going to turn them on because it's a hot day, but you can heat the bottom or back, or just the back or just the bottom. So you got that setting there, and you've got a towing button in case you need to tow. You can turn the traction control off. You can turn the here. You can turn the you can open up lift gate right here, and right here is for your rear wiper. You got like a little pocket going on right there, kind of small and shallow. So I guess you could put change or something there. You've got a power supply here, 2 cup holders, and then you've got this slides back. You've got a place to put change or whatever there, cell phone. And this comes out. You got a really deep pocket to put more stuff. This slides out. Now, this armrest slides in and out. It locks in a position exactly where you want it. You know, depending. It's got this thing here. You lift it up, and it locks in position. Now this top part lifts up, and you've got a padded. If you can see that, see it's padded, and it's not too shallow, but it's kind of shallow place. Put the stuff there, but you know, still extra storage. It's always good. Here is the glove compartment. Pretty good size. I mean, pretty good size glove compartment. And it does kind of slowly come down. Up here you've got your garage door controls. You got like little lights right here. Visors do have mirrors and lights in them. And you've got a little place to put pretty good sized space up there. See if I can get the camera all the way up there. Can you see that? It's got like a place to put stuff there. Alrighty, here's the view out of the back. Alrighty, if you're interested in this vehicle, let me know. My name is Mike, and my phone number and email address will be in the description. We'll see you next time.